Hey guys, this is the elevator here at the Holiday Inspection Suites here in Yankton, South Dakota. We got Series 1 here to ride. Supposedly this one hasn't been renovated yet. That door operator sounds pretty interesting. It's a nice cab, although I don't think they have renovated the cab. Probably one of the quickest leveling I've seen on the Series 1. Anyway, there's the indicator. Capacity of 2,100 pounds. Series 1 with your phone being on the panel right underneath the door close button. And here we have one. Because of course they haven't renovated this Holiday Inn yet. To the ones I've seen so far, and there it goes. And I guess that is going to be it for me.